Matisse welcomes you to a before and after lip transformation tutorial. Has overexposure to the sun, the wind, the cold, or dry air left you wanting to shy away from the world due to your lips feeling dry, cracked, chapped, flaky, and even burnt? Luckily for you, Matisse to the rescue. You can get these results too if you just follow a few simple, easy steps. Step 1 is to apply the exfoliator, leave for 10 minutes to remove the dead skin cells, and then wipe off with a cotton pad. And step 2 requires a decent amount of Recomfort Eyes Nourishing Mask applied to the lips, leave on, and do not rinse. It couldn't be easier, right? 2 steps and your lips are transformed and are brand new. And if you like what you see today, don't forget to like, share, and follow us. Bye!